welcome back to our math tutorials. So now we are going to learn exercise 2.4. So what is exercise 2.4? So it is about finite and infinite, empty and null sets. Okay, see now the first bit is given that. So in the first bit, what is the first question given? State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. So we have to decide which is a empty set and which is a non-empty set. So we have to decide that thing. So what is the first question given? The set of lines passing through a given point. So this is considered as this is one point. So the set of lines. So the set of lines more than one. Okay, the set of lines which are passing through the given point. It is empty set or it is a non-empty set. So it is non-empty set. So we can write it as it is a not empty set. It is a not empty. Okay. Next one. What is the next question? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Can any natural number, odd natural number divisible by 2? No, right? So it is an empty set. So it is an empty set. See now, can I take some odd numbers? 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 and so on. Just see now, is any number divisible by 2? No, right? So set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Any number is divisible by 2? No. So it is leads to the null set. Yes. So next, x says that x is a natural number less than x less than 5 and x greater than 7. Now, for suppose I am writing here x less than 5. Less than 5 means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and x greater than 7. Greater than 7 in the sense x greater than 7 means 8, 9, 10. Is there any elements present in between x less than 5 and x greater than 7? Empty. No element is present in between this. So we can say this as an empty set. So it is nothing but empty set. So next one. What is the next question given? The next question is x is a common point to any two parallel lines. Can we say that x is a common point to any parallel lines? I am taking two parallel lines x, y, naming. So is this one is common point for both? No, right? So we can say this as empty set. We can say this as an empty set. So this is an empty set. So it is an empty set. Next, fifth one, set of even prime numbers. So what are the even prime numbers? 2 is a even prime number, yes or no? So it is not an empty set. It is not an empty set. So this is your first bit. Okay. So this is your first bit. Next, moving to the next bit. So what is your next bit? State whether the following sets are finite or infinite. What is mean by finite? What is mean by infinite? The finite in the sense, finite means there is a possible number of elements. So we can say the number of elements present in the set. There is a possibility to say the count, but whereas in the infinite set we can't say. Okay, we can't say the possibility there. So there is no limit for that, for the infinite number of sets. So we can give the definition as like this: a set whose elements cannot be listed. The type of sets are called as infinite sets. So let us decide whether they are finite or infinite sets. See now, what is the first one? The set of natural, so the set of months in the year. So how many months in a year? Total 12 months, right? So 12 months in a year. So it is particular or not? Yes. So we can say this as a finite. So we can say it as a finite. First one is finite. Next one. Here one set is given. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and so on 99 comma 100. So there is a bound there, so there is a starting and end point there, so we can say this as a finite set. We can say this as a finite set. Finite, finite set. Next one, set of prime numbers smaller than 99. Yes, we can say this as a finite. Next one, what is next one? Set of letters in English alphabet. How many total alphabets in English? 26. So it is also finite. Next one, what is the next one? Set of lines that can be drawn are parallel to the x-axis. Can we say how many lines we can draw parallel to the x-axis? No, right? Infinite. So this is infinite. So next, set of numbers which are multiples of 5. It is also infinite. So last one, the set of circles passing through the origin 0.0 comma 0. It is also infinite. So these are the infinite sets. So are you get the clarity about what is finite and what is infinite? So finite in the sense there is a possibility to list the elements. Okay, there is a possibility to list the elements in the set. But whereas a infinite, there is no possibility. So we cannot list the elements. So there is no possibility to list the elements. Those such type of sets are called as infinite sets. So this is about your exercise 2.4.